Ever wondered how Christmas in New York looks like? Well, you're in for a treat. Picture snow-kissed streets, twinkling lights, and a city that never sleeps, now dressed in its festive best. From the world-famous Rockefeller Center tree, to the enchanting window displays on Fifth Avenue, from the charming Bryant Park Winter Village to the serene, snow-covered Central Park, we've got it all covered. So buckle up and join us as we explore the magic of Christmas in New York City. Our journey begins at the heart of New York City, the Rockefeller Center. A beacon of joy and holiday spirit, the Rockefeller Center is a sight to behold during the Christmas season. At its core stands an awe-inspiring Christmas tree, a tradition that dates back to the Great Depression era. Year after year, this tree, as radiant as the city itself, casts a warm glow, illuminating the faces of the millions who come to marvel at its grandeur. Beneath the towering tree, life teems on the famous ice skating rink. The air is filled with the sound of blades slicing through the ice and laughter echoing around the plaza. It's a symphony of joy, a living testament to the city's vibrant energy and the resilience of its people. The Rockefeller Center isn't just about the tree and the rink though. It's about the people who gather here, the stories they share, the memories they make. Listen to the visitors, and you'll hear tales of tradition, of families coming together, of proposals made under the twinkling lights, and of childhood dreams coming true. Each story is a thread in the tapestry of the city's holiday season, weaving together a vibrant celebration of life, love, and community. As we leave the Rockefeller Center, we carry with us more than just the image of the shimmering lights and the sound of joyous laughter. We carry a piece of New York spirit, a testament to the city's ability to transform an ordinary plaza into a magical winter wonderland. We carry the warmth of shared smiles and the sparkle of shared joy. As we leave the Rockefeller Center behind, we carry the shimmering lights and the joyous laughter in our hearts. We carry the promise of the season, the magic of the city, and the warmth of its people. And as we step into the rest of our tour, we invite you to carry these memories with you, to let them light your path and to let the spirit of New York City's Christmas season fill your hearts with joy and wonder. Next, we venture into the fashionable world of Fifth Avenue. Here, the heart of New York City beats with a rhythm of its own, a symphony of lights, colors, and holiday magic that captivates the senses. Fifth Avenue is not just a street, it's a spectacle of artistry, imagination, and holiday spirit, all wrapped up in the most exquisite window displays you'll ever see. As we meander along this iconic avenue, we are greeted with the grandeur of the holiday season. Each window is a stage, a canvas on which stories unfold. These narratives, told through props, mannequins, and intricate designs, weave a tapestry of joy, hope, and wonder. They are the dreams of artists and creatives, brought to life in a spectacle of holiday cheer. From the whimsical world of toy soldiers and gingerbread houses to the elegant scenes of winter wonderlands, each display is a testament to the magic of the season. The window displays of Fifth Avenue are more than mere decorations. They are a tradition, a celebration of the holiday spirit that transcends cultures and generations. As we pass by, we catch snippets of conversations. Faces light up, eyes widen, smiles spread. There's a shared joy, a collective sense of awe and admiration. We hear murmurs of beautiful, amazing, magical as passers-by stop to take in the spectacle. These displays are not just for the eyes but for the heart, stirring feelings of nostalgia, warmth, and joy. And as we continue our journey, each window beckons us to pause, to appreciate the artistry and the thoughtfulness that goes into creating these holiday masterpieces. They invite us to step into their world, to let our imaginations run wild, to feel the magic of the season. As we stroll down Fifth Avenue, we are reminded of the magic of storytelling and the spirit of Christmas. Each display, each decoration is a testament to the power of creativity, the joy of the season, and the timeless charm of New York City during Christmas. Now let's head to a charming holiday market, the Bryant Park Winter Village. Nestled in the heart of Manhattan, this winter wonderland comes alive with twinkling lights, festive music, and the rich aroma of roasting chestnuts. This is one place where the holiday spirit truly comes to life. Bryant Park Winter Village is a bustling hub of activity, a place where holiday dreams are spun into reality. It's the city's own North Pole, teeming with over 175 boutique-like kiosks. From handmade jewelry to artisanal chocolates, from unique crafts to vintage clothing, you can find an array of gifts that are as unique as the people you're giving them to. But the Winter Village is not just about shopping. It's also about experiencing the quintessential winter pastime, ice skating. The village houses a massive, free-admission ice skating rink where you can glide gracefully under the stars, or maybe just stumble and laugh with friends, creating memories that will last a lifetime. To get a true sense of the Winter Village, let's hear from one of the local business owners. They are the heart and soul of this market, bringing their passion and creativity to every nook and corner of the village. Their stories are as diverse as the products they sell, but they all share a common thread: the joy of participating in this festive event, and the warmth of the community that it fosters. The Bryant Park Winter Village is a testament to the magic of the holiday season. It's a place where strangers become friends, where the cold winter air is filled with laughter and cheer, and where the spirit of giving is not just a phrase but a way of life. Leaving the Winter Village, we feel the warmth of community, the joy of giving, and the excitement of the holiday season. This is the essence of Christmas in New York, a city that truly knows how to celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. Our final stop is a serene escape in the midst of the city, Central Park. Imagine a blanket of pure white snow covering the vast expanse of this iconic park, the trees adorned with icicles that glisten in the winter sun, and the gentle crunch of snow underfoot as you explore this winter wonderland. Central Park, in all its snowy splendor, is a sight to behold. As we wander deeper into the park, we discover a myriad of activities to enjoy. You might find yourself in a spontaneous snowball fight, building a snowman with newfound friends, or even ice skating on one of the park's frozen ponds. And let's not forget the horse-drawn carriages, offering a charming and romantic way to experience the park's beauty. In the heart of the park, we come across a delightful scene: a group of children sledding down a hill, their laughter echoing through the crisp winter air. Nearby, a couple shares a thermos of hot chocolate, their smiles speaking volumes about the magic of the season. Let's hear from some of the park's visitors. "We love coming to Central Park during the holidays," shares one family. "The park is so peaceful this time of year. It's like stepping into a different world." Another visitor adds, "There's nothing quite like a carriage ride through the snow-covered park. It's the perfect end to a perfect day." As we bid farewell to Central Park, we take with us the peaceful silence of the snow-covered landscapes, the warmth of shared moments, and the joy of simple pleasures. This park, a haven in the midst of the city's hustle and bustle, reminds us to slow down and appreciate the beauty of the season. So whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned New Yorker, Central Park in winter offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It's a place where holiday memories are made, and the magic of Christmas truly comes to life. As our journey comes to an end, we are left with a kaleidoscope of memories. The twinkling lights of the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, the captivating window displays along Fifth Avenue, the charming holiday market at Bryant Park Winter Village, and the serene snowy landscapes of Central Park. Each of these places holds a special place in the heart of New York City during Christmas, and they've now become a part of our holiday memories too. Reflecting on these sights and experiences, we're reminded of the magic that Christmas brings in New York City and beyond. It's a time of joy, of giving, of coming together, and of making memories that last a lifetime, and nowhere is this spirit more alive than in the Big Apple. Through the hustle and bustle, the city shines brightly, its festive glow warming the hearts of locals and visitors alike. It's a time when the city that never sleeps takes a moment to pause, to take in the beauty of the season, and to celebrate the joy of the holidays. So whether you're skating under the towering tree at Rockefeller Center, shopping for unique gifts at Bryant Park, marveling at the window displays on Fifth Avenue, or enjoying a peaceful stroll in Central Park, New York City offers a Christmas experience like no other. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. May your holidays be merry and bright, and may the new year bring you joy and happiness. Happy holidays.